Imagine waking up every morning in a house that feels cleaner, calmer, easier to live in, without spending more money or working harder. What if tiny changes to your daily routine could save you hours every week, reduce stress, make your home feel more peaceful, and even improve your health? Most people think improving their life at home requires expensive gadgets, luxury furniture, or massive renovations. But the truth is, some of the smartest home improvements are surprisingly simple. A rubber band can save your wall paint. A bowl of vinegar can remove hidden smells. And one small basket in the right place can completely stop daily clutter. These are the kinds of tricks smart homeowners, organized families, busy parents, and productive people quietly use every single day. And once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Today, we're counting down 15 powerful home hacks that can genuinely improve your everyday life. Some will save you time, some will save you money, and a few might completely change your daily routine forever. Let's begin. Home is supposed to be the place where life feels easiest. But for many people, it becomes the exact opposite. Dirty dishes pile up faster than expected. Laundry somehow multiplies overnight. Things disappear the moment you need them. Rooms become messy within hours. And simple daily tasks slowly become exhausting. The problem isn't always laziness or lack of discipline. Sometimes, the system itself is broken. A badly organized home quietly steals energy from your day. It wastes time, creates stress, and forces your brain to constantly work harder than necessary. That's why the smartest people don't rely only on motivation. They create systems, tiny shortcuts, simple habits, and clever hacks that make everyday life smoother. In this video, you'll discover 15 practical home hacks that are easy, affordable, and surprisingly effective. These aren't internet gimmicks. They're real-life solutions that can make your home cleaner, calmer, more organized, and easier to manage. So whether you live alone, with family, in a small apartment, or a busy household, there's something here that can improve your daily life immediately. Now let's start with hack number 1. Hack 1. The drop zone basket. One of the biggest reasons homes become messy is simple. People don't put things away immediately. Keys end up on tables. Bags land on chairs. Mail disappears into random corners. Chargers somehow migrate across the house. And before long, clutter spreads everywhere. The solution? Create a drop zone. Place a basket, tray, or container near your entrance. This becomes the official home for everyday items. Keys, wallets, sunglasses, earbuds, receipts, mail, chargers. The moment you walk in, everything goes there. It sounds almost too simple, but it works because it removes decision-making. Your brain no longer asks, "Where should I put this?" The answer is automatic, and automatic systems are powerful. This one tiny habit can instantly reduce clutter, prevent lost items, and make your mornings less chaotic. No more searching for keys while running late. No more panic before leaving the house. Sometimes the best home improvements are not complicated at all. Hack 2. Freezer bags for organization. Most people use freezer bags only for food, but they are secretly one of the most useful organizing tools in any home. Use them to organize cables, screws, batteries, makeup, travel items, stationery, hair accessories, small toys, important receipts. The magic comes from visibility. Unlike opaque containers, freezer bags let you instantly see what's inside. You save time because you stop digging through drawers looking for tiny items. Label them clearly using a marker. Then place them inside baskets or drawers. Suddenly, chaos becomes order. This is especially useful for parents, students, content creators, business owners, and anyone managing many small items daily. Organization doesn't always require expensive storage systems. Sometimes, a simple, transparent bag can solve the problem. Hack 3. The 2-minute cleaning rule. Here's a life-changing principle. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Wash the plate now. Fold the blanket now. Wipe the counter now. Hang the towel now. Why? Because tiny messes become overwhelming messes when ignored repeatedly. Most people don't actually spend hours cleaning. They spend days postponing small tasks until everything becomes massive. The 2-minute rule prevents buildup, and psychologically, it reduces mental stress too. A messy environment constantly signals unfinished work to your brain. Even if you don't consciously notice it, your mind feels it. Small actions completed immediately create peace, and peace inside your home affects your mood, focus, productivity, and even relationships. Hack 4. Use vinegar to remove hidden odors. Sometimes homes look clean, but still smell strange. And often, the source isn't obvious. Cooking smells, moisture, trash residue, shoes, drains, old fabric. One of the cheapest odor removers in the world is plain white vinegar. Place a bowl of vinegar in smelly areas overnight. It absorbs unpleasant odors surprisingly well. You can also use diluted vinegar to clean microwaves, sinks, bathroom tiles, refrigerators, trash bins. The smell disappears after drying, but the freshness remains. Many expensive air fresheners only mask odors temporarily. Vinegar actually helps remove them. Simple, affordable, and effective. Hack 5. Keep a reset timer. Here's something highly productive people understand. Cleaning becomes easier when done in short bursts. Instead of waiting for the perfect cleaning mood, set a timer. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Then clean only until the timer ends. This hack works because starting is usually the hardest part. Once movement begins, momentum follows. And even if you stop after 10 minutes, your home still improves daily. Over time, small, consistent resets prevent overwhelming messes. Your home stays manageable instead of becoming exhausting. This method is especially powerful for busy parents, exhausted workers, students, or anyone struggling with motivation. Perfection isn't necessary. Consistency is. Hack 6. Store things where you actually use them. Most homes are organized according to appearance instead of behavior, and that creates frustration. For example, chargers far from where phones are used, cleaning wipes stored nowhere near spills, towels far from bathrooms, scissors hidden in random drawers. The smarter approach? Store items close to where they are actually used. This is called point-of-use organization. It reduces unnecessary movement and saves time every single day. Tiny inconveniences repeated daily become major annoyances over time. A home should work with your habits, not against them. When organization matches real human behavior, life becomes smoother naturally. Hack 7. The night before preparation system. Morning stress usually starts the night before. People wake up late, search for clothes, look for bags, forget important items, and begin the day in panic mode. One simple nightly routine can change everything. Before sleeping, prepare tomorrow's clothes, charge devices, pack bags, refill water bottles, organize work materials, write tomorrow's priorities. This takes maybe 10 minutes, but it transforms your mornings completely. You wake up calmer, more focused, more prepared, and the emotional difference is enormous. Smooth mornings create smoother days. Hack 8. Use clear containers in the kitchen. Out of sight often becomes out of mind. That's why food gets wasted so easily. People forget what they already have. Using clear containers changes this instantly. Store rice, beans, pasta, spices, snacks, flour, sugar in transparent jars or containers. You immediately know what's available, what's running low, what needs restocking. It also makes kitchens feel cleaner and more organized visually. Your brain loves visual clarity. Cluttered environments create mental noise. Clear storage quietly creates calmness. Hack 9. The one-touch rule. This hack sounds simple, but it can dramatically reduce mess. Try to handle items only once. For example, don't throw clothes on a chair planning to fold them later. Fold them immediately. Don't place dishes in the sink for now. Wash them or load them immediately. Don't move clutter from one surface to another repeatedly. Complete the task the first time. This reduces procrastination loops, because every extra temporary placement creates more work later. The one-touch rule saves time, energy, and mental clutter. Hack 10. Create a cleaning caddy. Cleaning becomes annoying when supplies are scattered everywhere. You start cleaning the bathroom, then remember the spray is in the kitchen. Then the sponge is missing. Then the cloth disappeared. Suddenly, motivation dies. The solution? Keep a portable cleaning caddy. A simple basket containing multi-surface spray, cloths, sponges, gloves, small brush, paper towels. Now cleaning becomes fast and friction-free. Convenience matters more than people realize. When tasks become easier to start, they happen more often. Hack 11. Use old toothbrushes for detail cleaning. Tiny spaces collect shocking amounts of dirt, and most large cleaning tools can't reach them properly. Old toothbrushes are perfect for cleaning faucet edges, window tracks, keyboard corners, hair tools, tile grout, shoe soles, sink corners. Instead of throwing old toothbrushes away, disinfect and reuse them for cleaning. Small details make homes feel truly clean. Not just visually clean, deeply clean. Hack 12. Keep a donation box. One major reason homes become crowded is because people keep too many unnecessary things. Clothes not worn in years, broken items waiting for repair, random objects with no purpose. Create a permanent donation box somewhere in your home. Whenever you find something you no longer need, place it there immediately. Once full, donate everything. This prevents clutter from silently rebuilding, and emotionally, decluttering feels surprisingly freeing. A crowded environment often creates a crowded mind. Less chaos around you can create more peace inside you. Hack 13. Use hooks everywhere. Hooks are one of the most underrated home tools ever invented. They instantly create storage without consuming floor space. Use hooks for bags, towels, headphones, kitchen tools, keys, coats, hair accessories. Vertical storage is especially powerful in smaller homes. Walls are often unused space. Smart storage isn't always about buying more furniture. Sometimes it's simply about using existing space more efficiently. Hack 14. The empty hand rule. Every time you move from one room to another, take something with you. Going to the kitchen? Take that empty cup. Going upstairs? Carry misplaced items. Walking past clutter? Move one thing back where it belongs. This prevents mess from accumulating silently. And because the effort feels tiny, it's easy to maintain daily. Small actions repeated consistently create massive long-term results. That's true for homes and life itself. Hack 15. Create a daily home shutdown routine. This final hack may be the most powerful of all. Before bed, spend 15 to 20 minutes resetting your home. Not deep cleaning, just resetting. Wash dishes, wipe surfaces, fold blankets, organize shoes, empty trash. Prepare tomorrow's essentials. Think of it like closing a store before reopening the next day. You're preparing your environment for tomorrow's success. And the psychological impact is incredible. Waking up to a clean, peaceful environment changes your mindset instantly. Your morning starts with clarity instead of stress. Your home begins serving you instead of overwhelming you. And over time, this small nightly ritual can completely transform how your home feels. The truth is, improving your life at home rarely happens through giant dramatic changes. It happens through tiny systems repeated consistently. A basket near the door, 10 minutes of resetting. A toothbrush for hidden corners, preparing the night before. Cleaning small messes immediately. These things seem small individually, but together, they completely transform daily life. Because your environment shapes your behavior more than motivation ever will. A well-organized home reduces stress, improves focus, saves time, creates peace, and gives your mind room to breathe. And perhaps most importantly, it makes everyday life feel lighter. You don't need a perfect house. You don't need expensive furniture. And you don't need to become obsessed with cleaning. You simply need systems that make life easier. Start with just 1 or 2 hacks from this video. Use them consistently for 1 week. You'll be surprised how quickly your home and your mindset begin to change. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical life improvement content. And in the comments below, tell us, which of these hacks are you going to try first? Or, better yet, share your own favorite home hack so others can learn from it too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.